Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. Today we'll be looking at the 7060B 2-DIN car stereo and backup camera combo from GearBest. The 7060B comes with a 7-inch TFT touchscreen. It can play back video and music files, has backlit keys, comes with Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music playback, can be used with steering wheel controls, and comes with an included reversing backup camera. Let's begin with the unboxing. First, we see the rear backup camera. Then is the cable to power the camera's LEDs. Next is the long camera's video cable. Then we can see the compact 7060B radio head unit. Next, we see the infrared remote control. Next are the power and audio harness cables. And finally, the user guide. Having a closer look, on the front we can see the 7-inch TFT touchscreen with a resolution of 800 x 480. On the front left we see the IR receiver, the buttons for Previous, Power and Mode, and Next. Then there's the volume and selection wheel. Next is a microSD card slot up to 32 GB. We then have a 3.5mm auxiliary input and the microphone. And finally a USB 2.0 charging port. And on the back we can see an additional USB 2.0 port which can be used to mirror your phone, the antenna port, 2 RCA audio outputs, video output, the rear camera input, and a video input port. There's also the 2 wire harness ports and a fuse. To install the radio, make sure your vehicle has room for a 2-DIN unit. Remove the plastic cover from the dashboard with a plastic pry tool and proceed to remove the old radio. Then splice the power and speaker wires to the harness that comes in the package, as indicated by the wiring diagram in the manual. Run the backup camera cable to the rear of the vehicle and tap into the reverse light wires to trigger the rear view on the radio screen whenever you shift into reverse. Connect everything and set the radio in place and put the cover back on to finish the installation. Now let's look at the radio in action. On the main screen you can see all the different functions available. You have the FM tuner, the MP3 and music player, the video player, a photo viewer, the file explorer, your Bluetooth menu, the auxiliary input, the settings, steering wheel controls, and screen mirroring for your smartphone. Using the FM radio is easy and intuitive. Just take note that the tuner only works on the FM band and not for AM frequencies. If you insert a microSD card or a USB drive, you can use the music, movie, or photo icons to watch your media and use the Explorer to browse. Under the Bluetooth icon, you can make and receive phone calls as well as synchronize your phone book to the radio. Clicking on the steering wheel icon will take you to program the steering wheel controls in case your vehicle already has them. Under Settings, you can change the language, change the region setting, change the video format, change the key's backlight color, change the boot up logo by typing the code 1983, reset the factory defaults, and calibrate the touch display. And finally, the CML Play icon will allow you to mirror your phone directly to the radio screen by connecting to the USB on the back of the unit. Pushing the volume wheel will take you through additional settings such as balance, fade, equalizer, loudness, and the screen's brightness and color controls. In conclusion, the 7060B radio combo will be a great upgrade for your vehicle's old stereo. You'll be getting a multimedia player with Bluetooth and steering wheel controls, as well as a fully functional backup camera which you can see on the 7-inch touchscreen, all for a low and affordable price. If you'd like to check out the 7060B and many other cool car gadgets, don't forget to visit GearBest from the link below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you on our next review.